Hey neighbors, how can you tell when something is really not right in corporate America? When Wall Street isn't selling it. Well, what am I talking about? Deep sea mining, the largest potential mining futures industry on the planet. Because it's so well hidden, it could replace a lot of other types of mining in other places. Next year, I think there's 20,000 some odd deep sea mining permits being issued. Deep sea mining will finish off the oceans unless some attention and rules are made. And frankly, who makes those? So, to deep sea mining, off I think Bermuda or Jamaica is one of the places that are going to do this. I think it's Jamaica, someplace that was devastated by a storm and would just do anything to have some income. And one of the signs that it was going on there was about a year ago. There was a little news article about a bunch of Americans bringing weapons into the country, a group of 4 men. That little article went by and disappeared, and I always wondered what those weapons were needed for there, what they were protecting. Why interest there? So now you know. They're protecting global mining companies' interests, and we're being played. So I predict in about 4 or 5 years, 2024, 2025, you're going to start learning how we're destroying the oceans with unchecked mining. Happy New Year.